Hello friend, this is Nemo Peng from GospelBoat. Nice to see you again. Today, I have one boat finished decoration and waiting to be delivered. This one behind me, I'm on the boat now. It is a 7.5m Easy Craft with a separate toilet room. If you want a boat with a separate toilet room, I think this one is a good choice. I'll show you now. You can have a general idea about the layout of this boat. Of course, for the inside cabin, we can make some adjustment according to your preference. For example, if you don't want the kitchen area, we can change it into seat. Yeah, basically like this. If you are interested in and want to know more, feel free to contact with me. Okay, I'll show you now. See you.